Hey you guys, thanks for joining me today. I am trying out a mask, a nice little hydrating mask, because I deserve it and I need to pamper myself a little bit. This is by 101 Skin. It's a hydrogel based mask. It's supposed to help with skin tightening, help promote collagen production, which we know as we get older, we lose so much collagen, so it's so important to do really hydrating masks just to help your skin to produce as much collagen as possible, but to also bring moisture back into the skin because your skin starts to lose the ability to retain moisture. So this is a great addition to other things you should be doing to your skin, like microneedling, nanoneedling, just in other small things that you can do even at home. And you can check out other videos we've done on microneedling and nanoneedling, all procedures that can be done in the home. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and we'll take a look. Okay, so this pack comes with, looks like 4 masks. Look like this. Okay, so it says wrinkle repair, brighter and smoother skin, intense hydration. There we go. Okay, so you can see there what it says. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and we'll get to putting it on. So it says to leave it on, you can leave it on for up to 3 hours for like that intense hydration. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It says to take it off once the mask becomes translucent. So here we go. I can tell that it's very wet. Here's the top. It smells amazing. Wow, it smells really good. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth that over my skin. And of course, I've washed my face before applying this. You wanna make sure you wash off any, you know, as much dead skin and dirt as you can from your face. So like I said, this should become translucent. Now there is a bottom piece here that I'm gonna go ahead and put on. I won't be running to the store or anything with this on. Luckily my children aren't home. Okay, I'll lift this up a little bit. So they call this mask the botox mask because it's supposed to really help with tightening your skin, decreasing the size of your pores, and helping with fine lines and wrinkles as well. So it's a, like it said on it, it's a very intense hydration mask and I can feel it. It's very, very hydrating immediately. Like that's the first thing that I notice is how much hydration's in here. Now I'm not gonna talk too much longer with this on because it's a bit disturbing. I'm gonna go ahead and get a few things done, kind of relax a bit, and I will come back once this has become translucent and I can take it off, and I will go through the details of what I love about it, what I didn't love. We'll go through all of that. Oh, and real quick, before I jump off of here, make sure you subscribe, of course, but also I have a discount code for you guys linked in the description. So be sure to head down there and check that out. And the link to purchase this will also be down there. So just head down below and I will be back. Don't have nightmares. Okay, you guys, I have had this on for a few hours. Feels amazing. Really, really cooling. Like I love that effect of it. I feel like just really refreshed is like the first thing I noticed. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And one thing I loved about it is it stayed put. I wasn't having to like adjust it the entire time or worry about it falling off. It stayed put really well. And I even made like phone calls where I was like leaning over and did a few dishes, didn't have any issues with it falling. So that was great. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is just how tight and hydrated my face feels. My T-zone actually ends up being a little more oily, but I have dryness issues everywhere else. And so I definitely feel a lot more moisture in those areas, in areas that I feel like I really, really need more of those serums and more of that hydration. I'm in my mid-30s now, so this is something I can definitely use. So after looking at some of the ingredients in here, I noticed that there's pentanol in these masks. And pentanol, they kind of suggest that it's a natural Botox. It's very good at helping your skin retain that elasticity that we naturally lose with age. So I love that that's part of the ingredients in this mask. And then of course it's a hydrogel based serum. So hydrogel helps with scarring. It helps with, so it's going to help with any like acne scarring that you might have. It's not going to be a cure-all, but it can definitely help soothe, tighten some of those areas that you might be having issues with. Okay, overall, I really love this mask. I think it's an awesome option for those of us who are getting a little older and really need to be boosting that collagen and elastin and helping our skin to just feel rejuvenated. Wanted to give you guys a look at the glow I have after applying my makeup. I definitely don't always have this natural glow going on, and I 100% attribute that to this hydrogel mask. So be sure to check it out, grab yours, linked in the description. Loving the overall feel and look that this mask has given me. Hopefully you can see a difference. I definitely can. I just feel like I've got an all around like awesome glow going on, and these are definitely something that I'm going to continue to use in the future. Again, check our description below so that you can use the 15% off promo code that we have, and I will also put the link where you can purchase these masks for yourself. And of course, if you guys have any questions, leave them below as well. This is something I will definitely continue to use. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Beauty Budget Moms, and hope you have a great day. Thanks for joining me.